phone, new finish. Let's unbox. Hello everyone, I'm here for Fiiber by India today, and in this video I'm going to unbox the new OnePlus 11R in the solar red color that comes in a red vegan leather finish. But before I share my unboxing experience with you and show you the phone and also tell you about the couple of major upgrades that this new phone gets, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So this right here is the box of the OnePlus 11R. The usual OnePlus unboxing affair. We'll quickly remove the lid first. Nothing over here. But first up is the sleeve. Here's the phone, but okay, let's check what's inside here. Never settle branding. And let's quickly take out the stuff. Okay, so there's a silicone case, as you can see right here. Typical OnePlus silicone case. Some paperwork, and yes, OnePlus stickers and red cable club membership. And there's also the SIM ejector pin. Let's keep these aside. Here we are. This is the OnePlus 11R in red. Wow, this looks gorgeous. I mean, the funny thing is that this phone was launched in China as the OnePlus Ace 2, and this particular red version was the Genshin Impact Special Edition. Sadly, we're not getting the special unboxing experience, but yeah, we do get the phone in red, so that's a great thing. Okay, let's keep the phone aside. We'll come back to this in a moment. For now, let's check the other stuff that we get here. So the usual 100-watt charging brick and the Type A to Type C cable. Typical OnePlus unboxing affair. So let me set up this phone and I will be right back. Okay, so I set up the phone and now it is time to take a closer look at this gorgeous new finish. So this right here is the red color of the OnePlus 11R, and unlike the OnePlus 11R we are used to, which comes in a glassier finish, this one here has a vegan leather back along with stitching around the sides. And the end result, well, this phone, the 11R in red, looks classy, it looks fiery, and without a shadow of a doubt, this is the best looking OnePlus phone that I have ever held in a long time. And I also remember the lava red OnePlus 5T from back in the day. That one was my favorite finish on a OnePlus phone, and many great OnePlus devices have launched since, but none like this one right here, the OnePlus 11R in red. I mean, OnePlus should start making more and more of such red finishes on their smartphones. I mean, this design, this is purely 10 on 10 in terms of design. I mean, it looks really, really good. But apart from the design of the OnePlus 11R Solar Red, the features that you are getting on this phone are the same that you usually get on the normal OnePlus 11R. Which means the same curved AMOLED display at the front, same camera deco at the rear, and same lenses of course, the same 5000 mAh battery under the hood along with 100-watt fast charging, and basically the same everything. By the way, here are some of the camera samples taken from the OnePlus 11R in Solar Red. Again, the ISP is the same courtesy of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, so similar kind of results, and for the price, the OnePlus 11R offers a good camera, guys. But of course, to know more about the camera performance, we have a ton of content around the OnePlus 11R on Fiiber, so be sure to check that out. Anyway, let's move on. And do you remember that earlier in the video I said that the OnePlus 11R in Solar Red gets a couple of major upgrades? Well, here's what I was talking about. So the 11R Red gets a whopping 18 GB RAM coupled with 512 GB storage. So of course, this phone is going to be a treat for gamers and performance enthusiasts. And it will also sit above the 16 GB plus 256 GB variant of the 11R, which costs 44,999 rupees in India. This also means that the 11R in red will certainly be priced higher. But what will be the exact price? Well, as of recording this video, I only know that this phone will be launching as part of the Amazon specials, and it will be retailing in the upcoming Amazon sale on October 8th. So with that said, if I have to make a guess around the price of the OnePlus OnePlus 11R Solar Red, and then I think that this phone could cost 49,999 rupees in India. But most importantly, what do you guys think could be the price of the OnePlus 11R Solar Red? And most importantly, what do you think about this fiery new red finish of the OnePlus 11R? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.